Hello and welcome to English with Jason. I am so hungry today. I think I will make some dinner soon. But what will I have? I know. I will cook spaghetti bolognese. I love pasta. Today we are going to take a look at the simple future tense. First we'll have a look at the grammar, and then I want to show you when we need to use this tense. And afterwards I have a test for you, so don't miss out on that. Oh, and can I ask you to hit that juicy red subscribe button please, because that really helps me out. Okay, the simple future tense. Let's check out the structure for this tense first. Now, it's the subject plus will plus a verb. So, he, she, it, they, we, you and I plus will plus a verb. Now, the verb is always in the first form or the root form. So, for example, I will learn English, she will learn English, and you will learn English. It's the same for every subject, so it makes it really easy. Now, we often use the short form of will. So, you will changes to you'll, they will to they'll, I will to I'll, he will to he'll, she will to she'll, it will to it'll, and we will to will. We use this tense to talk about something in the future. Now let's have a look at the timeline to make things clearer. So here we have the past, the present, and the future. Now the red cross represents something you will do in the future. We are here in the present right now, and maybe this is tomorrow, for example. I will teach English. I will do something tomorrow. Now, we mostly use the simple future tense when we predict things. For example, I think I will get the job. Now, this is a prediction based on somebody's opinion. One day humans will live on Mars. It's not certain. It's a prediction that in future we will inhabit Mars. We will all be driving electric cars in the next 10 years. Now, this is what I think will happen in the future. We can also use will when we make a decision at the time of speaking. For example, you go to a restaurant and the waiter asks you, "What would you like?" "I will have the steak, please." The decision was made at the same time. "Oh, there's no milk in the fridge." "I will buy some." Again, this decision was made at the same time. So we also use the simple future when we make promises. I will help you at the weekend. And for requests, will you go to the shops for me tomorrow, please? We also use it for threats. If you don't stop that, I will call the police. And we use it for offering things. Are you thirsty? I will make you a cup of tea. Okay. Now, we can use will in its negative form as well. So will not changes to won't. Won't is the short form. For example, I'm not feeling well. I won't go to work tomorrow. Or, I won't be able to meet you tomorrow because I must work. I'm driving home, so I won't drink any alcohol. Now, here are some keywords for the simple future. Tomorrow, next week, next month, or next year. I will see you next week. On a future day, on Monday, on Friday. I will meet you on Wednesday. And this afternoon or this evening. I will go out this weekend. So that's it. That's the simple future with will. Okay, let's see how you do in the test. Complete these sentences with will and one of these verbs. Go, get, be, pass, and leave. So, number 1. It's raining hard outside. Don't go out. Wet. Number 2. It's really hot today. I think I swimming. Number 3. It's David's birthday tomorrow. He 47. Number 4. When are we going to the shops? We in 10 minutes. And number 5. Don't worry about this test. I'm sure you... Okay, let's check those. Number 1. It's raining hard outside. Don't go out, you will get wet. Number 2. It's really hot today. I think I will go swimming. Number 3. It's David's birthday tomorrow. He will be 47. Number 4. When are we going to the shops? We will leave in 10 minutes. And number 5. Don't worry about this test. I'm sure you will pass. Okay. All right. Next exercise. Complete these sentences with either will or won't. Number 1. I'm sorry I was late today. It happened again. Number 2. I don't think it rained tonight. Number 3. What you make for dinner later? I'm going to have steak. Number 4. Don't drink coffee before you go to bed. You sleep. And number 5. This time tomorrow I be in Japan. Okay, let's check those. Number 1. I'm sorry I was late today. It won't happen again. Number 2. I don't think it will rain tonight. Number 3. What will you make for dinner later? I'm going to have steak. Number 4. Don't drink coffee before you go to bed. You won't sleep. And finally, number 5. This time tomorrow I will be in Japan. Wow, Japan. Okay, that's an excellent exercise. Well done, everyone. And if you have any lessons or requests or something you want to learn, then let me know in the comments below and I will do my best to make a video for you. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, keep learning because life never stops teaching.